cognizant of the public nature.
The first of the three Ocampo 6 appeared at the International Criminal Court in response to summonses issued a month ago. They were met with a stern warning from Judge Ekaterina Trendafilova, who spoke for the three-judge pretrial bench.
It came to the knowledge of the chamber by way of following some articles in the Kenyan newspapers that there are some movements towards retriggering the violence in the country by way of using some dangerous speeches. Such type of action could be perceived as a sort of inducement which may constitute a breach of one of the conditions set out in the summonses to appear. Accordingly, this might prompt the chamber to replace the summonses to appear with warrants of arrest.
The initial hearing saw the prosecution formally read the charges the three suspects face in the first Kenyan case.
Forcible transfer of population constituting a crime against humanity within the meaning of Article 7(1)(d) of the statute.
William Ruto, Henry Kosgei and Joshua Sang faced charges of murder, torture, persecution and deportation or forcible transfer of populations, all of which constitute crimes against humanity. The three all said they were aware of the charges that faced them. However, Ruto and Sang raised issues when asked whether they understood their rights.
I've been sufficiently informed of my rights.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Whatever allegations that have been made against me, I need to have the full knowledge of those allegations and whoever has made them to enable me to respond.
I found out that one of the rights has been broken in terms of me getting the prosecutor interrogating me before coming here, which was not done.
The judges ordered full disclosure by both parties. Chief Prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo called the court's attention to the admissibility challenge presented by the Kenyan government, which he said was an obstacle to full disclosure. The judges, however, ruled against him.
The prosecutor considered that admissibility challenge presented by the Kenyan government is an obstacle to disclosure, and we will request the chamber to provide the parties opportunity to present filings on that.
The application made by the Kenyan government raising challenge with regard to the admissibility of this case only prevents the prosecutor from further ongoing with the investigation, but not with the disclosure. So you can proceed with the disclosure, Mr. Prosecutor.
The pretrial judges then set a date for a meeting between the prosecutor, defense lawyers, and the ICC registry to begin the process of full disclosure.
A status conference is convened for the 18th of April.
The court also scheduled a hearing for the confirmation of charges on the first day of September.
We have been led by the concern to take our decision as soon as possible whether this case is going to trial or not. So this was our leading concern when we have set up the date, the 1st of September, with the opportunity to postpone it, of course.
The defence hasn't been drawn into any discussion in terms of the date of confirmation. It's a date that's been presented this morning by Your Honours.
The timely date for the confirmation of charges hearing is beneficial to the suspects.
The suspects in Moreno Ocampo's second case, Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta, Head of Civil Service Ambassador Francis Mudhaura, and Postmaster General Major General Hussein Ali will answer their summonses on Friday. Muraya Karaoke, KTN Prime.